guys, this is Daniel, unitedBMWonline. This is the 135 with the BMW Performance Exhaust. We're working on the interior. This is the 135 Convertible with the stock exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and press both, and if you get a close-up shot on both of the exhausts, get the proper sound. So I'm going to go ahead and start with stock, and then I'll go with performance. Alrighty, then we're going to go ahead and do a flyby. Alrighty, so I'll jump in the 135 Convertible first, do a flyby around, and then jump in the 135 Coupe and do a flyby. Okay?